Hello and welcome to this session. Today's session focuses on utilizing a timer in the 8051 microcontroller trainer kit to control LED activation with delays.
Objectives. At the end of this session, you will be able to enter the program to turn on a LED with delay using timer in 8051 microcontroller trainer kit and check the result through port 1 and record the observation. Now let's have a look at the tools and equipment needed to perform the initialization, load and turn on a LED with delay using timer. For this, you will need the following tools and equipment such as PC or laptop 1 number, microcontroller kit 1 number, USB cable 1 number, FRC cable 2 numbers, Flash Magic software, and Keel Microvision software. Let's now see the procedure for performing the initialization, load, and turning on a LED with delay using timer. It involves 3 steps. Step 1. Write the program for 8051 microcontroller using Keel software. Step 2. Burn the converted file using Flash Magic software to the microcontroller IC. Step 3. Assemble the circuit by connecting the hardware parts and execute the output. Now we will run the program using the software called Keel Microvision software. Switch on the computer and open the Keel Microvision software. Once you have opened the software, click on Project and select New Microvision Project. Create file name as per the project. Here, it is named as LED using delay timer. Click Save to proceed. A tab pop-up appears to select the microcontroller. Here, we are using the 8051 microcontroller. So, select AT89C51 from the database. Click on No to add the startup.A51 to the project folder. On the left side of the screen, a tab called Project appears. Click on the plus sign beside the target one. Now source group opens. Right-click on the source group 1 and select Add New Item to group source group 1. Select the .asm file since we are writing the program in assembly language. Name the file. Here, it is named as LED using delay timer. Click on the Add to add it on to the source group 1. Now start entering the program in the .asm file created. org00h. This means setting the origin of the code to address 00h. L1 colon move P1 comma hash 0 AAH. L1 means creating a label to come back to this line of the program. Move the value hexadecimal value 10101010 0AAH into port 1. This port is the output port. According to the hexadecimal value, the LEDs will glow. L-call delay. L-call means long call the delay subroutine as we are blinking the LEDs. Move P1, hash 055H. Move the value 01010101 055H into port 1. L-call delay. L-call means long call the delay subroutine as we are blinking the LEDs. SJMP L1. SJMP means short jump back to label L1 to repeat the loop. Now we will write the program for the delay. Delay colon move R0, hash 14H. Move the value 14H 00010100, that is 20 in decimal into register R0. L2 colon move TMOD, hash 10H. Create a label name L2. Move the value 10H 0001 0000 into the timer mode register. Move TH1, hash 4BH. Move the value 4BH into timer 1's high byte register. Setting the value of the register or memory location TH1 to the hexadecimal value 4BH. Move TL1, hash 0FFH. Move the value 0FFH into timer 1's low byte register. Setting the value of the register or memory location TL1 to the hexadecimal value 0FFH. Set B TR1. Set the timer 1 run bit. sets the specified bit in the TR1 register. L3 colon JNB TF1, L3. Jump if the timer 1 overflow flag is not set to label L3. CLR TR1 clear timer 1 run bit. CLR TF1 clear timer 1 overflow flag. DJNZ R0, L2 decrement the register R0 and jump to label L2 if it is not 0. RET after writing the delay program, return from the subroutine. End of the program. Now navigate to the target and right-click and select Options for the target 1. Change frequency to 11.052 MHz. Select the box of the Use on Chip ROM. Now go to the menu and select the output. Enter the hex file name in the name of executable. Here, it is LED using delay timer. Select the box of Create Hex File and click OK to continue. Navigate to the menu and select Translate and check whether there are any errors or warnings. In the build output, it will show the number of errors and warnings. Now next to Translate, there is an icon named. Click on the build target. In the build output, it will be displayed Creating Hex File from LED using delay timer. LED using delay timer, 0 errors, 0 warnings. Turn on the microcontroller kit after entering the program in the software. Now connect the laptop to the microcontroller kit using USB cable. Connect one end of the cable to the laptop and the other end to the microcontroller kit. Now click Windows on the keyboard and type FlashMagic to burn the code. Now in step 1, select the microcontroller. The microcontroller specification will vary from kit to kit. Here, we are using 89V51RD2. Now for selecting the COM port, click on Windows and type Device Manager. Navigate to ports COM and LPT and check the port number. Here it is COM20. Now open FlashMagic. Select the COM port as COM20. It varies from kit to kit. Select the baud rate as 9600 and interface as none, ISP. Click on the box of Erase All Flash to erase all the programs previously done in the kit. Now go to Step 3 Firmware and browse the hex file created and select the hex file. Navigate to Step 5 and click on Start. Now click on Reset button in the microcontroller kit to dump the program into the kit. Connect the ports according to the program. Locate the ports, switch and LED in the kit. Use FRC cables female to female for connecting the ports. Here port 1 is connected to the LED. Now click on the Reset button again to burn the program. According to the program, we have given 10101010 AA and 0101010155 output LED. Now the LEDs will be blinking in AA and 55 pattern with some delay.
This brings us to the end of the session. In this session, we have learned program to turn on an LED with a delay using timer in 8051 microcontroller trainer kit and check the result through port 1. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next session.